Hi guys, my name is Vlatka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make this dotted rainbow candy stripe friendship bracelet, which is available on BraceletBook under pattern number 70701. This pattern was fun to make and the bracelet itself turned out really pretty. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Now, are you ready for some knotting? Then let's begin. To make this bracelet you need 12 strings in total, 2 180 cm long and 1 200 cm long, all folded in half, which we are going to use for knotting the background and the longer one to make the loop, and 6, each 100 cm long. The thread I am using is one of the more affordable ones I got on Amazon and I will link it in the description below. I already made a loop at the beginning of my bracelet. If you do not know how to make a loop with an uneven number of strings per color, I will upload a tutorial on my channel on Monday, so make sure to check it out. I also made the shape start at the beginning of my bracelet, based on this row. I will link a tutorial how to make shape start for candy stripe bracelets in the description below. Start by taking the first string on the right side, the black one, and make a backward knot with it onto the next string, the yellow one. Take the next string and make a backward knot with the black string onto it as well. And proceed by making a full row of backward knots with the black string onto the strings on the left. Move to the next row, take the first two strings and make a backward knot with the yellow string onto the black one. And proceed by making 3 more backward knots with it onto the strings on the left. Then take the black string and make a forward knot with it onto the yellow string. Take the next string, the purple one, and make a forward knot with it onto the yellow string as well. And do the same with the next black string as well. Then take the yellow string again and make 4 backward knots with it onto the strings on the left. And those are all the steps you need to follow to make this bracelet. First, make one full row of backward knots with the black string, and then, in the next row, take the first colorful string and make 4 backward knots with it, 3 forward knots onto it, and again 4 backward knots with it. Continue doing so until you are satisfied with the length of your bracelet. Once you are satisfied with the length, finish it with a shaped end and twist the ties. I finished mine with a single color shaped end for candy stripe friendship bracelets. And if you do not know how to make this type of shaped end, or the twisted ties, I link the tutorials in the description below. And that's it. Your dotted rainbow candy stripe friendship bracelet is done. Do you like it? We'll try to make it. Let me know in the comment section below. If you found this video useful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss my new tutorials. Not with you next week. Bye!